Hi, an industrial design engineer and car designer at professional levels. I intend to model the full body of an airplane in this tutorial using CATIA software. In this tutorial, you will get familiar with all parts of CATIA software. You will learn how to work with tools and also how to model different surfaces. I've done my best to make this tutorial brief and useful for all learners so you can learn to work with CATIA in no time and enjoy it.
Design Mechanical is one of the most important workspaces of this software. This workspace includes more than 10 applicative sub-workspaces. The most important ones are part design, assembly design, drafting, sketcher, sheet metal, structure design, weld design, core and cavity design, tooling design, and mold.
Welcome to lesson 2. To enter the part design workspace, first choose mechanical design from the start menu and then select the part design. To open a new work file, a window called the new part opens after clicking on part design sub-menu. We can enter our file's name in entering part name field, and then we check the enable hybrid design and hit OK.
Welcome back, this is lesson 3. The part design workspace looks like other mechanical design applications in which the part is designed in 3D based on its mechanical features and the user is able to render, analyze and get the 2D view, map and 2D and 3D Moondoy map with the options in this workspace. This workspace has options such as applicative and easy to use, understandable environment, quick edit, and recreation, two-way transfer option with other 3D workspaces, and the ability to save in different formats.
Hi, welcome to lesson 4. The part design environment is designed based on 2D mapping and turning it into 3D, which means that to start 3D modeling or 3D mapping, we must enter the 2D section using the sketch command, and after drawing shapes, extract them from this space and within volume. In all of CATIA's workspace, there are 3 reference planes, ZX, ZY, and XY, which we can choose one of them to draw our 2D map. To enter the sketch workspace, first we click on the sketch option and then on one of the central reference planes to enter the 2D mapping workspace. Hi, and welcome to lesson 5. To call back and see all the options in any section, we can right click on the empty right side and the tools menu appears, and we only have to click on the commands to check the blue tick. Now we can order our needed tools in the margins and we can remove the rest. There is a structure called parts tree in all of the CATIA's workspace, which includes all of the designed parts and all the done operations on that part, and in general, the history of that part. We can click on that and review all the operations done on the part. To see that, after clicking on the part, we enter a certain page which is exclusive for each part. We can click on properties part, which we can enter the parts information and we can enter the name or the number of part in part number section in the product menu. To create a part, we need to draw in 2D to create each section. To do that, we can use the explain menu in part design workspace and enter the 2D mapping section. Now we will introduce the most important tools of the Sketcher workspace. The first tool is a Sketch Tools menu, which includes initial adjustments tools, and we can determine the waypoint star located in between conductor lines as dotted, which is followed create snapped upon construction standards elements. The next menu is Workbench menu. It's for exiting a Sketcher mode and returning the 3D modeling section. The next menu is the Measure menu. This menu for evaluating the distance between the lines and points. The most important commands are measure and measure between. The View menu includes a set of display commands in this workspace. The important commands are Fly Mode, Vital In, Pan, Rotate, Zoom In, Zoom Out, Normal View, Create Multi-View, Isometric, Shading, Hide and Show, Sweep Visible Space. The next menu is the Operation menu. This menu includes some operations for drawing, such as chamfers, cuts and erasing, symmetry, moving and changing scales, and 2D and 3D choices. Okay, the next menu is Profile menu. This menu includes all drawing tools and shapes, which includes commands such as Profile to draw polygons and polygons with arches, Rectangle to include a set of polygons, Circle to draw circles and arches in different ways. Spline to draw splines in different ways. Ellipse to draw parabolas and hyperbolics in different ways. Line to draw lines in different ways. Axis to draw the symmetry. Points by clicking to draw points in different ways. One of the other tools of Sketcher Workspace is the Constraints menu. This menu is used for 2D measuring. The next menu is the Standards menu, which includes the main and general instructions of this workspace and is used for saving and opening a new workspace and includes forward and backward commands. The most important commands in the view menu are Invite All to view the page in full screen, Pan to move the page by dragging, Zoom in and zoom out to control the zoom level, Normal View to look at the surface from the vertical point of view, Create Multi-View to see the surface and model from 4 different angles, Isometric View to view a set of observable angles, Sharing with the material. Using this menu, we can see different positions of the objects based on its material or structure.